This video will demonstrate how to change batteries in a DSC wireless smoke detector. You will need two CR123A batteries for each smoke detector needing a replacement. For convenience, we recommend replacing batteries for all wireless devices at the same time. Please note, if your system is monitored, you will need to call the monitoring center and put your account on test before changing the batteries, as they will receive a tamper signal from the device. Turn the smoke detector counterclockwise to remove it from the base. Remove the old batteries and replace them with new ones, being careful to observe the correct polarity of the batteries as marked on the detector. With the new batteries installed securely, line up the notch on the smoke detector with the notch on the base plate and turn clockwise to reinstall. You may have noticed your keypad started beeping at you during this process. After the device has been reinstalled, you can check the keypad. You should have no yellow trouble light, and at this point it should no longer be beeping.